strengthening your inner legs, toning the pelvic floor, helping release any tension if you have a curvature of the spine or even some SI joint difficulty. It also helps with your balance, and it helps with our stepping forward and back when we do our standing postures. So this is some prep work we do in our classes to strengthen and tone the legs, as well as the ankles, you know, your whole body always. So I'm going to start standing on my right leg, and my hip is towards, my right side's towards the wall in case you need it. You can do this in the center of the room is fine. Find your Tadasana and let your left leg kind of float. You can release your foot, just so drop your whole hip and left side. Can you see that, how it's dropped? And I'll show you from the side how that would look. If I dropped my hip, I'd be pushing this hip out and dropping here. So you want to keep it even as possible. Even as possible. So from here, this also helps work the ankles and finding your feet to head. So you can start with a gentle swing just to get used to balancing on one leg off the floor, which is pretty interesting. You'll feel your foot and your inner leg move quite a bit to balance, because balance is work. It's not a given. You have to work for it. So from here, you can reach and step down and yield, release that foot and ankle, and then yield and push to help pull it back up. And then a little side step as if you're going down a steep hill, so you're taking your time, and then push back up again. And then maybe you're creeping backwards, step back, and then yield and push. Feel the push of this leg to help bring you back up to your head. So you can step down, come back up, side step, yielding your right leg, and then push to come up again. Step back, and then come back up again as you push. This might look fairly easy, and I encourage you to try it and see for yourself that if you're not used to that, you're going to feel a lot of tone coming up the inner leg to your pelvic floor, onward up to your head. So if you're used to taking all your weight, your outer hip and leg, this is going to help correct that. You're going to get incredible tone for the pelvic floor and to equalize both legs. So there's that stepping down, take all the weight in the left, and then pull yourself back up, side step, and again, pull yourself back up, reach and step back, feel your earth so you know it's something you can step into, and then pull. There's this pull of the legs together, just like we do in standing postures. You can even play with balance from here, right? All that good stuff. So try it. If you've had, maybe some kind of surgery or anything going on with your ankles or legs that you want to strengthen, try it with a small step. And if you don't have a block, you can tape up an old phone book or something that's firm, or if you have a step at your house of some kind, even a rock. You can have someone just lay there and you can step on them and down. No, just kidding.